FIV was born in 1812 in France, in a block of Lille, which is a big city in France, in the north of France. And we were born in 1812 thanks to the talent of an engineer who developed a process to produce sugar from beet. Before, the sugar was coming from the colonies, in that time, from the colonies, and was produced based on the cane. In fact, we have FIV as a purpose. Industry can do it, and in fact, what does that mean? That means that we are conceiving a capital goods, equipment, full lines, full systems, in order to allow our clients to produce their own product. We are more or less involved in all the big sector of the industry, from the raw material transformation, cement, steel, glass, aluminium, energy, to the end market, consumer, B2C, e-commerce, where we are supplying sorting systems, full sorting system for DHL, Amazon, FedEx, UPS, and all the biggest one in the world. Well, our philosophy is that one, and in fact we didn't wait for the world to realize that something was happening with the planet and we have to fight against climate change. In fact, when I take on my position, beginning of 2000, I decided at that time to focus all our research and development program on finding solutions to reduce the environmental impact of the product we were selling to our clients. Industry can be the solution of the climate change fight in which we are involved, all of us. Industry might have been in the past a problem, and at the origin of that pollution, nowadays I'm sure 100% that the solution will come from industry. We have no doubt on that, and we are among those who are developing solutions using digital tools, etc., to help our clients to solve those challenges. Mexico is still small places in our full businesses. Worldwide, we are generating around 3 billion of revenues per year. Last year we booked 2.8 billion. And the Mexico part is less than 5%. Is I think 3-4%. But and here is the question, and that is why I came here to celebrate the inauguration of this new plant. In fact, I think that Mexico, in fact, is belonging to a larger group of countries: Mexico, US, and Canada. And it is one of the components of that region, very key one. Mexico places will go up, and this is a message I wanted to convey too. That's why I invited in inauguration all the CEOs of the biggest plant we have in the US. Do not forget, for us, US, among 3 billion, a third part is coming from the US. We booked last year more than $1 billion of orders in the US. So Mexico is small, US is big. Mexico will begin bigger and bigger. We have another plan to invest in Aguascalientes in a new plant to produce machine tool. We have a huge digital setup in Mexico already in Silao. I'm very optimistic on the Mexican perspective. You are a big country, you have a young force trained, you are close to the biggest market worldwide, which is the US one. You are partnering with the US because thanks to the new ALENA agreement. So at the end of the day, you have all the strengths to become much more bigger and to play a bigger role in the development of the region. In Mexico, we will develop two kinds of supply. First, automation jobs, as you have seen today. And why automation job? Because there are plenty of opportunities in that sector. You have capacity here, and two, because the automotive industry and the aerospace industry, which is already very strong in Mexico, they need automation solutions. And so there is here a fundamental need not only to serve the US market, but we can both serving the US market and the Mexican market by growing our capacities here in Mexico directly through a plant, but not only plant, staff, engineering staff, commissioning line, electrician specialist, etc. That is one of our main goal, and you have seen booth of the digitalization solution we could implement, and we are already implementing in the solution we are providing to our client. Es un país que me gusta tanto que voy a hacer todo lo que puedo para que crezamos aquí, supongo que es la buena palabra, y vamos a ayudar a la juventud grandir, crecer. This is my goal, so they should come. Mexico, they should be confident on their future. There is a brilliant future.